All right, here is question 3, concept 13.2. Number of times the cricket chirps varies directly with the temperature outside. So we know, when we see that information, varies directly. We know we have a proportional relationship. The chart below shows the number of cricket chirps given the daily temperature. What is the constant of variation in the relationship above? Well, we know from lots of conversation that the chirps are the dependent and the temperature is the independent. The temperature controls the chirps. The chirps don't control the temperature. These aren't alien crickets that can control the temperature. So the constant of variation is always the dependent variable divided by the independent variable. And what you find is no matter which relationship you select, you will get the same answer. So dependent 21 divided by independent 7 gives you 3. Dependent 33 divided by independent 11 gives you 3. Dependent 39 divided by independent 13 gives you 3. So in this case, the constant of variation is 3. So that's the answer to the first part of this, constant of variation 3. The second part says, write an equation you could use to find the temperature. That means solve for T. Solve for the temperature. Given the number of times the cricket chirps in 25 seconds. So let's just look at what we get out of that. Let's just look. If we have the 21 chirps in 25 seconds, and we're trying to get the temperature, the 7, what's the relationship? Well, the relationship is divide by 3, divide by the constant of variation. Let's see if that works for another one. In 25 seconds, there were 45 chirps. If we divide that by 3, the constant of variation, do we get the temperature 15? Yes, we do. So in this case, the formula is chirps divided by 3 equals temperature. If you'd like to represent as a multiplication problem, you can take 1/3 times the number of chirps to get the temperature. Either one of those works. So check this against your test. Bring any questions you have to class.